Hey you guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. So this particular wig is from Recool Hair. It is their Burgundy Highlight Body Wave wig. I have it in the 5x5 lace closure and in 22 inches. Now you guys know how I am. Being that this wig is a closure, I installed it 100% glueless, which means no glue, no spray whatsoever. And just so y'all know, that lace was definitely given scalp, okay? This wig has a Swiss HD lace and the hairline comes pre-plucked, so stay tuned to see how I was able to style it. So Recool Hair sent a bunch of goodies along with the wig, and they even sent you a pamphlet that lets you know exactly how to care for the hair as well. So that's extremely important. Alright, so here is the hair. Once again, it is from Recool Hair. It is the Burgundy Highlight Body Wave wig. I have it in the 5x5 lace closure. They do have it in the 13x4 HD lace frontal as well, just so you guys know. It is 180% density, and I have it in 22 inches. Now, you can put this wig glueless. It comes with that adjustable elastic band, which is great. The combs inside the wig for extra protection, of course. This wig is definitely beginner friendly. It's easy to put on. You can put it on and take it off whenever you choose. Okay, so it's time for the fun part. So I cheated, you guys. I actually styled the wig off camera, but look how beautiful those curls came out. But I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging, okay? I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. By the way, if you follow my TikTok, you would actually see a video as to how I bleached the lace. But just so you guys know, this lace really wasn't bad at all. The knots were very light. So I just did my typical wax stick and hot comb method on this lace closure, just like I normally do. I wanted to do a middle part, so I made sure that I did it on both sides of the part just to make sure the wig is laying super flat. And one trick that I learned with the hot comb is that you want to make sure you're combing the hair, but you also want to press down on the side. That's really going to press the hair down, and I didn't know that's the correct way to use it. So just so you guys know, that's how you're supposed to use it if you really want to get those roots flat. So if you use this on your natural hair as well, that's the method you want to go with. And you know what's funny? Every time I do a wig install, you guys always tell me like, girl, I wish you could do my hair. I wish you could do my wigs. If any of you guys were closer and we were cool like that, I really would not mind, because I actually don't mind styling the wigs. I just hate like the bleaching part of it. But this wig wasn't bad at all. This one was 1, 2, 3, but I really don't mind styling the wigs, and the more that I do them, the easier that it gets. I have my own little method, and I stick with what I know. You know, I don't overcomplicate it. So as far as the curls, you guys, I just used my curling wand. Now, to all my girlies who struggle with the curling irons or the flat irons, get you a nice curling wand. They do come in different sizes, and all you have to do is just wrap the hair around, leave it on for like 10 seconds, hold it for a little bit, and then let it go, just like I did in the video. I have it at the highest temperature, which is about like 410 degrees. And if you guys want to know exactly which one I use, it'll be in the description box, as well as the wig head as well. I'll have everything in the description box for you guys. Alright, so this is how the curls came out. Super bouncy, super voluminous, and I did not use any hairspray on this hair whatsoever. I curled the wig like in the morning, and I just let it sit until I was ready to install the wig. I didn't add any holding spray, none of that. Now this is how the lace looked. I wanted to give you guys a close-up because this lace was giving scalp. It came out so good, you guys. Even before I bleached, I showed you guys the clip of that before. The lace really wasn't bad. So after I did my little process, the lace came out really good. So I really wanted to include these clips for you guys because I didn't want you guys yelling at me in the comments like, girl, how you gonna come on camera with the wig already styled? I wanted to show you guys exactly what I did. So now we're just gonna go ahead and get into the install, which is like the easiest part. Okay, you guys, so the wig is on my head. I made sure that the elastic band is secure. I used the combs inside the wig. So now it is time to get rid of that excess lace. I cut down the middle, and then I cut the rest of the lace off in a zigzag line. You do not want to go straight because it's going to be too blunt and it's going to be a little bit more noticeable, which I don't think it would have mattered with this wig anyways, because she melted. Like, look at that. Like, she literally just melted. But I always just cut in like a zigzag line, and then I cut off any excess pieces that don't need to be there. Okay, you guys, so the rest of this tutorial is really easy because, you know, the wig came easy to install. This is one of those wigs that you literally just buy so that you could throw it on and go. And the burgundy highlights in it is absolutely beautiful. This wig is perfect for like a party, a birthday, vacation, you're celebrating something, whatever it is. It's one of those wigs that's going to stand out. And the fact that they made it beginner friendly and just easy to put on and take off is just a win-win. You know what I'm saying? Like, this wig is absolutely beautiful. The hair itself was extremely high quality. I did not have any excess shedding. I did not have any tangling, and the hair was silky smooth. And I hope you guys could see that shine through the camera. That's just the hair. That's like no product from me at all. I don't like putting products in my wigs like that. So whenever I'm doing a hair tutorial, guys, I'm showing you the true quality of the wig. All right, you guys, so that is it for this tutorial. Obviously, it was easy, right? It was super easy to install. You guys should be pros by now. No, I'm just kidding. But this wig is super beginner friendly. I thoroughly enjoyed styling the wig. I did not have any issues with it whatsoever. So once again, all the hair details and everything that I used will be listed in the description box down below. So make sure you guys check it out. Shout out to Recool Hair for this beautiful wig and for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys and thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you next time.